Speaker sir, I rise to support the demands of the government and oppose the cut motion. Speaker sir, आमची जी गोंय राज्याची फेणी आसा, आमचे आतांच मयाचे आमदार बॅन करपाचे उलयता आनी आय एम टॉकिंग अबाउट फेणी एंड एक्सपोर्टींग फेणी एंड प्रमोटींग फेणी बिकॉज इट इज अवर गोवन हेरिटेज ड्रिंक. सो हांव पूण परत लिकराचे उलयता आनी the topic goes on. हांव इतलेंच मागता की आमचे माननीय मुख्यमंत्री who is honorable minister for excise की as chairperson of GFDC we have been promoting the Goa Kaju industry in a very big way by starting the Kaju festival. आणि आता तर हे if we have to take the Goa Kaju industry and scale it to new heights जाल्यार आमकां पयलीं म्हणटा ते आमचे जे कॅज्यू फ्रूट आसा आनी ताजो वॅल्यू एडेड प्रोडक्ट्स आसा ते फेणी आसूनी उराक आसूनी की आमचे कॅज्यू नट्स आसूनी आनी अदर प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ द कॅज्यू हे आमकां तर प्रमोट करपाक जाय जाल्यार मेन आमचे GI हेरिटेज ड्रिंक जे फेणी आसा GI ऑलरेडी टॅग्ड ड्रिंक ऑफ गोवा तांकां if we have to position it equivalent and make it like the scotch from Scotland or tequila from Mexico or sake from Japan जाल्यार आमकां गरज आसा स्पीकर सर की ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टरा कडेन खूब फावटी हो विशय मांडिल्लो आसा and we have spoken about it and that is the main motive behind having a Kaju festival to promote our Kaju industry. आनी कित्याक ऑलरेडी आमचे GI tagged आसा but it is not freely available, not easily available in rest of the world आणि एक्सपोर्टीज सारके जायना. सो मागता की हे तर परत आमचे तर ड्युटी फ्री शॉप ॲट द मोपा ॲट द इंटरनॅशनल एअरपोर्ट मोपा थंय तर आमकां तर हें इट इज अवेलेबल अँड अक्रॉस वेरियस अदर duty free shops across international airports of India. हे तर available जाले जाल्यार the market for फेणी, the price of फेणी and finally it is all boils down to the farmers आणि the industry. So हाका full benefit जातलो if excise department can work on this and try to promote फेणी at all these different levels. At the same time, it is important that बाकीची बी जी distillate आसा कॅज्यूची, it is to be fully and entirely owned by Goa. Like presently, we regulate only Kaju Feni, but Hurak is still is in the unregulated sector. So मागता की Honorable Minister मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन to kindly conduct a study and set standards for Hurak, like तांची expiry date or in order to bottle Hurak in the state of Goa and preserve so that other states don't take over and get the GI tag before us. So if we get the GI tag for Hurak, it will be all the byproducts of Kaju and its byproducts will be only for Goa because it is our heritage fruit and heritage drink. The Feni policy states that the Competency Assessment Board, CAB, must be constituted under the chairmanship of the Excise Commissioner and notified in order to certify GI Kaju Feni. So this will ensure that top quality GI Kaju Feni is sold in bottles because there are many fly-by-night operators who, so in order to protect Amchi Kaju industry, so we have to take care that the quality of the GI tag Feni is preserved and these fly-by-night operators are not allowed to sell it. So it's very important that that the CAB board has to be constituted under the chairmanship of the Excise Commissioner. I would like to speak on information and publicity demand number 56. That again, I would request the Honorable Chief Minister, as a Minister for Information and Publicity, if your department can collaborate with departments like FDA, Tourism and Agriculture on an awareness campaign for GI Goan Kaju nuts. Kirak, this if this multi-sectoral collaboration for an awareness campaign, I think will boost amche local and our tourist markets. कित्याक आमी पळयलां की आमचे GI tag जो गोवन कॅज्यू आसा, most of the places, especially in the coastal belts and in the market, what is sold is not actually Goan kaju. It is mostly imported kaju, and there is a huge rate difference. The Goan kaju is sold at 700 and the imported one is sold at like 400. So there's a huge discrepancy. But if we have to protect our Goan kaju and its unique flavor and texture and the taste which is specific to our Goan kaju, it is important that this awareness campaign is needed to protect. And I feel that all 4-5 departments together with tourism, health department, FDA, and the information technology, information and publicity can create this awareness, and I'm sure we can protect our again GI tagged Goan kaju from being extinct, I think, because if we don't maintain the standards of our Goan kaju, slowly आमचे पळय जो ती रेट आसा ती कमी जायत वतली आनी आमचे ते स्मॉल टायम प्रोसेसर्स आसा आमच्या गांवांनी सगळे बंद करतले आपले दुकानां. सो मागता की माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्यान हाचें मातशें लक्ष घालचें. Speaking on skill development and entrepreneurship, demand number 61. आमचे होंडा म्हज्या मतदारसंघान ITI होंडा आसा आणि the infrastructure needs to be expanded and upgraded in order to introduce the new age courses which are very high in demand as per the latest HR guidelines. The proposed new age courses are like CNC machining, solar technician, stenographer, secretarial assistant, food production, physiotherapy technician. आणि हे तर आमी सगळे करतले जाल्यार ITI होंडा कडेन जागो आसा. There is remaining plot area vacant, almost 26,700 square meter of open space is available. आणि हांगा तर हे तर courses आमी तर introduce करपाक जाय जाल्यार we would require a new building with a hall capacity of at least 800 students थंय बसपा सारके, classrooms, laboratories to start this new age courses. Plus आमचे जे ITI होंडा आसा, it is in urgent खुबशे repair work जाय ताका, civil work especially to the existing building, like renovation of the canteen block, मागीर जे आमचे galvanium sheets आसा over the building to prevent खूब मातशे leakage चालू आसा, construction of internal roads in the campus, renovation of the workshops, RAC and electronics, construction of a transformer yard, replacing the existing sheets with existing sheets in the workshop which are asbestos sheets, khoi leakage jata with galvanium sheets, and repair of the flooring of the workshop. I once again rise to support the demand and oppose the cut motion. Thank you, speakers.